Testing, testing. Alright guys, welcome back to another White Sponge live stream. Okay, let me just change this to this. Okay, so it's a new week and we are going to be doing some live game development. Okay, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed your last weekend. Okay, so today we are doing some game development today. Okay, mainly just making sure that you can use the character's special skills even in multiplayer. And we are almost done, left for Asuka. Okay, we just have Asuka's special skill decounter to complete today. Oh, and by the way, Stellar Stars has been greenlit in just 17 days. Yeah. So we might have got kind of lucky. Yeah. But it's an awesome start to 2016. Okay, 1, 2, 8. Okay, so I'm just going to build the game so that we can do some simple play testing. Okay, we just wait for Unity to build the game so that we can test it and run one instance in Unity and the other outside of Unity as a standalone. Hey, welcome back, Shadowsphere. How's your weekend? Oh, by the way, we do have some good news, and that's Stellar Stars has been greenlit on Steam. Okay, so what this means is that you will be able to play Stellar Stars on Steam, yeah, or get Stellar Stars from Steam. Wait, do I sound sick? Or is it just my voice that is kind of deep at the moment? Okay, so today we are doing some game development and of course some play testing. Okay, as we are adding the special skills of all the characters, or the 4 characters. Oh. Yeah, I did not realize that, but yeah, maybe I just need to drink more water. Hey, but in a way it makes me kind of sound sexier, I guess. Yeah, which might not be a bad thing. Okay, so we are adding the special skills and we are testing them today on the multiplayer matches. Yeah. Sexy times, man. Sexy times. Let me just change the... Alright, let me just turn off the background music. Okay, so that there won't be any overlapping music, which can get kind of confusing. Oh. Okay, so we are going to test Asuka's counter. Okay, so I will have to do this really fast. Okay, JL. Okay, so I have to press J, or sorry, press J here, alternate them, and press S. Okay, let's try that. Oh, okay, so we managed to counter the projectiles. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you saw that. Yeah, damn. Okay, so the projectiles got deflected back. Okay, but even though they are deflected back, they did not damage the other player. So that means it's not working as expected. Okay. Okay, so they got deflected back and they changed their direction. Okay, but eating is not taking damage, so that's not what we want. Okay, let me try if we can okay, let's test if we can get fireball, and yeah, we'll see if... Oh shit. Okay, so we got fireball. Oh, wait a second. Where did the fireball go? Oh, damn. just going to see if we can get some fireball around here. Okay, and for that we'll need to have the minions spawn the fireball, which okay, doesn't always happen. Okay, maybe for multiplayer we'll increase the chances of the stars spawning. Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, okay, so we wanted fireball but we got impulse instead. Oh, okay. Okay, now we got a heavy wave. Let's see if we can deflect that. I'm not sure if okay, we can deflect that. Okay. And this is kind of fast, so let's try over here. This is kind of funny. Just look at the number of dead bodies. Okay, so we finally got fireball. Okay, so I'm just gonna test. Whoa. Okay, so I'm just gonna test fireball deflecting here. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so the fireball got deflected, but yeah. Okay, so it's not doing damage as well. Yeah. Okay, maybe that was too fast. Yeah. Okay, so we managed to deflect the fireball back. Okay, but it's not doing damage. Okay, so we need to check why that's happening. Okay, so to do that, we'll take a look at the attack and the special attack. Okay, so special attack is here. Flip. Okay, so this is when the counter deflects back any of the projectiles from other players. Okay. Okay, I'll just move it all the way over here. Okay, let's take a look at on trigger, enter to the over here. Okay, so for today we'll be doing a lot of going back and forth between this and playtesting over here in Unity. Okay, so over here we check if shot by username. Okay, so as long as a projectile comes into contact with a player, we check if it's counted, if the player who shot the projectile is the same as the player who comes into contact with the projectile. Okay, so if not, then okay, we'll do some damage. Okay, maybe here we'll change this to not have a delay. Oh, and do let me know if the mic or the background music is too loud, or if you find my voice going deep again. Yeah. Okay, so to test the changes, we have to rebuild it. Okay, because to test it in multiplayer, yeah, we have to build it and run it twice. Yeah. Okay, so it shouldn't take long, as we are almost more than halfway through the building process. Okay, maybe when the game launches, or when you start the game, we will add a simple animation to show that the game is checking for any updates. Yeah. Okay, instead of not showing anything. Okay, because sometimes when you start the game, okay, the game shows a black screen for a few seconds. Okay, and it's actually checking for updates from the server. Okay, so now we will have to test this again. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Oops. Ah. Oh, okay. So we are taking damage here. Okay, but we are not taking damage here. So that means we are taking damage on other clients remotely but not locally. So that's kind of weird. Okay, yeah. So we deflected one projectile back, and that should minus 1 health. Okay, so over here, okay, the health went from 2 to 1, but over here the health bar is not updated. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. so I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay, let's put this in the center here. So if I shoot some projectiles here and deflect it, oh shit, okay, we drop down. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah. Okay, so the deflected projectile damage the other player here, but not over here. Okay, that's definitely not the behavior that we want. Okay, because we sort of killed ourselves, but we gain experience for that. Yeah, that's kind of weird. So we are gaining experience for dying. So that's okay. That might be why we are not damaging the other player here. Okay. Okay, shot by player. Okay, so this is where we add the experience, but okay, so we need to add the okay, we need to update this. Okay, so over here, let's do that. Okay, so at least we do not get experience from dying from a deflected or reflected projectile. Okay, the other player should get the experience. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, so let's aim to have Asuka's counter, to have it working by today, and yeah, then we okay, it will give us more time to work on that sort of the score screen. Okay, so that we can aim to have both of the skills and the score screen in the patch that's coming out later tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so the reason why we are using eating is because eating has a lot of health, so that allows us to do more testing. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing. Oh. Okay, we might be running out of health. Okay, so now when we die from the projectiles that are reflected back at us, we should not get any experience. Oh. Yeah, okay, so we did not get any experience. Okay, Vaska did not get any experience as well. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I'm going to restart the game, and we are going to do the reverse. Okay, so now instead of having 18 here, we are going to have 18 in the standalone. Okay, so over here, we'll choose Asuka. Okay, so that's the reverse of what we did previously. Okay, let's try here. and eating will be here. Okay, so alternate. Okay, so we counted. Oh man, oh, those are irritating. Okay. Okay, we need to alternate that faster. Yeah. Okay. So let's take a look at Asuka here. Okay, so Asuka became level 2 here. So that means the counter work. Oh, wait a second. Over here, okay, eating got the experience instead of Asuka. Okay, so that's the reverse. Okay, we need to test this again. Okay, so we are testing this again. Okay, so at least now we should be able to test this game better because okay, at least now we won't have the minions affecting. Okay, so Asuka should have gotten the... Oh! Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, maybe we shouldn't have done that. Okay, so we'll attack here and deflect here. Oh, okay, let's try that again. We'll attack here and deflect. Okay, we'll attack here and deflect. Attack here. 4-7. Okay, sometimes the projectiles do not get with flip over. Okay, let's see if Asuka over here got the experience. Yeah, okay, 7.5. Yep. Okay, but over here it's not. Yeah, we did not get the experience over here. Okay, so we work remotely but not locally. Yeah, okay, that's weird. Because usually it's the reverse. Okay, let's take a look at the attack over here. Okay, let's do some simple debugging here. Okay, and we'll just print some messages here to check Okay, the enemy player. Oops. Okay, so we'll go with this. Okay, and we'll see what sort of went wrong over here. Okay. Okay, let me just check out the channel. Okay. Okay, now we just need to build it, or sort of build it again to test or do the debugging. Okay, so while it's building, I'll just take a quick water break. Be right back. Think of abandoned castle. It's the next one after the. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm back from a slightly longer water break. Water plus pee break, yeah. Okay, so now that the game has been built, okay, let's test. Let's do some debugging. Okay, we'll choose Asuka here. Okay, and over here, we'll choose eating. So right now we are sort of focusing on the multiplayer because that's sort of the core gameplay of Stellar Stars, which is why when doing testing we need to run the game twice. Okay, one from within Unity and one as a standalone. Okay, so a standalone meaning that as an application. Okay, similar to how you run games, other applications such as Excel, Words, PowerPoint. Okay, we'll choose, let's see. Okay, we'll choose eating here. Okay, let's have both of them go all the way to the top. So at least there's some distance between them. Okay, so I will attack here and deflect. Okay, that wasn't fast enough. So to test Asuka's counter skill, okay, we need to have our pretty cute eating shoot some projectiles, and okay, Asuka here using the counter skill to deflect back the projectiles. So let's try that again. Yep. Okay, reversing direction. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so notice that over here, okay, our eating is not taking any damage, but over here, oh, okay, let's try that again. Yeah. Okay, so reversing direction. Yeah. So over here, eating did not take any damage. Okay, this is locally to Asuka, and this is locally to eating. And over here, eating's health went from 7 to 5. Okay, and yeah, okay. So reversing direction, this is, I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah, okay. So I'll put it here. Okay, reversing direction. Okay, this means that we had successfully deflected at least one of the projectiles, or two actually. So that's why the health went from 7 to 5. Okay, but okay, let's close this and this. Okay, but the reflected projectile, okay, having being reflected, okay, went towards the opposite direction and back towards the player who shot them. Okay, but okay, it did not even enter here, and it did not even enter here, this portion. Okay. Okay, and that is most likely the reason why the damaging of eating the other player is not synchronized. Okay, before checking for if counted. Yeah, I do realize that sometimes looking at a random guy doing some coding on TwitchTV isn't exactly that interesting. Okay, but this is part of the reasons, or rather one of the reasons why we are always streaming game development of Stellar Stars live on TwitchTV. Okay, because we want to, or at least our culture is that we are promoting an open and transparent culture. So that involves showing you guys and girls how we develop games. Yeah, and that involves what we are doing now. Yeah, so sometimes you might see us coding, which is what I'm doing now, or sometimes you might see us do some pixel art or designing posters. Yeah. Okay. Okay, enemy player. So this is just to print some messages in the console for testing. Okay. Enemy player done. Okay, so what I'm essentially printing here is the name of the player who has come into contact with a projectile. So this projectile can damage him if some conditions are met over here. Yeah. So we are doing some checking for that. Okay. And by the way, do let me know if you find that I'm too talkative, or if you find that I'm not talkative enough. Yeah. Okay, even though sometimes I might not show it, okay, but I'm actually kind of excited because we got greenlit, or rather Stellar Stars got greenlit in just a little over 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay, so this is the part of game development where we always wish that it will go by faster in this progress bar, and it's kind of a funny excuse. So if you're a game developer, or if you're a programmer doing something, maybe web design or web apps, or even mobile apps, and if your boss or if your supervisor asks you why are you not at your computer, you can just say the code is compiling. So it's kind of funny, but it's not something that I would always recommend you to do, but it's kind of funny. Okay, as long as you say that the code is compiling, then no one has any reason to doubt that. And of course, the speed of compiling your code depends on how big your project is, and of course your hardware specs, how fast or how many cores your processor has, and yeah, it also depends on what type of compiling you're doing. Okay, so eating. Oh, and by the way, okay, while you might see that all of the 4 characters can be selected. Okay, but this is actually just for testing. Okay, when you first play Stellar Stars, okay, you can only play as Beat, okay, the starting character, as the other 3 characters are locked. So you have to unlock them by sort of satisfying some conditions. Okay, but it can mostly be done by just spending more time with the game. Yeah. So even though Stellar Stars, even though we are crafting Stellar Stars to be sort of the love child between, or the love child of MOBAs and roguelites. Okay, we are focusing on play to win instead of pay to win. Or more like play and become better to win instead of pay to win. Yeah. Okay. Reversing direction. Okay, let me see if I can lure them downwards. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's try that again. Oops. Okay, I did not manage to alternate tab. Yep. Okay, so we did manage to reflect. Okay, reverse direction. Okay, but okay, this was not caught. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's try that again. So okay, we'll attack here, don't tap deflect. Whoa, okay, that was fast. Okay, so reversing direction over here. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Okay. If counted. Oh, okay, so this might have something to do with the okay, on trigger enter 2D, which is actually what happens or what gets caught when a projectile sort of touches any of the players. Okay, so triggered or slash collided to the object is not tag. Okay. We might as well put it here. Yeah. Okay, so we can comment this and we can just put it before checking for game object dot tag player. Okay, so one of the other reasons why I'm printing a lot of messages is so that if a certain message does not get printed, we know that whatever lines that came before it, there's something wrong going on.
Host National Day twice. One of the major things that I like about NAFA was that we were able to access any art form. NAFA definitely has the facilities, the lecturers, and everything for you to achieve success.
Okay, there are of course other ways of going about debugging or fixing our situation here, but this is the way I'm doing it. Okay, it's kind of messy, but it helps me to pinpoint which line is the core of this situation. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, let's create a room. Okay, so for now, to play multiplayer, on the multiplayer matches in Standard Stars, you have to create a room and share that room name with your friends. Okay, but we'll definitely be adding sort of a quick method for you to find matches. Okay, either along the lines of custom matches or quick match. Or more like quick match or random match. Oh, okay, it's rare to have both on the same. Oh shit. Okay, this is not a good mesh layout for us to test because of the short distance here. So I I will have to do the alternate tapping really fast. Okay. Okay, reversing direction. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, yeah. So because of the distance, it's not that easy for us to deflect. Okay, we'll try the other side, because it seems like the other side has more space. Okay, so we managed to not. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Yeah, the distance is too short for us to test. Of course, if we have, because right now it's just me testing. Okay, or maybe if we deflect first and shoot later. Yeah. Okay, let's try that again. Yep, okay. So let's see. Reversing direction. Player. Collided to the object is player. So that's okay. So if we get player, not if did damage. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Okay, we might need to reset this. Goes to false. And okay, we might have found the cause of the reflector attack not doing damage locally. Okay, so special attack. Okay, attack dot if did damage equals to false. Okay. Okay, let me just build this again. Yeah, so it's getting faster in the building process. which is good for us, so we don't have to wait that long to test again. Okay. Okay, so once again, let's test Aska here within Unity. Okay, if we can get this to work, then we can move on to the scoreboard, which is what is displayed when you press and hold down your tab key. So things such as kills, deaths, and minion kills. Okay, and of course, okay, we'll keep it as simple as possible. Okay, we'll keep the design of the scoreboard as simple as possible while still conveying the necessary information. Okay. Okay, okay, we can try over here. Yeah. Okay, let's do. Rather, let's have okay, that was a rather long do. Okay, let's have Aska and eating change locations or positions. Okay. Let's try again. Is ground, is player. Okay, still not working. Okay, so after we have reversed the direction, okay, let's try that again. Okay, and okay, we will try to pause the game after the projectiles have been reflected. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, okay, we did not manage to counter in time, so let's try that again. Yeah, okay, we did not manage to counter in time. Okay, we managed to counter, but we did not manage to pause in time. Okay, player. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Okay, so it did not go in. Okay, even after we have resetted the damage, or if did damage. Okay, so if it's player, okay, we'll add a new message to print here. Then before checking for impulse. Okay, so let's save that and compile it or build it. Okay, so let's test this again. Okay, so same thing here, Aska in Unity and eating in the standalone. Yeah. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. Wait. Okay, so Aska here. Okay, and okay, eating here. Okay, so we'll test this again. Okay, we'll join the room which I've just created it within Unity. Okay, so we can use them. Okay, all of the platforms are of different levels. Okay, we can use here. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, second player reversing direction. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so we have reverse the direction, and yeah. Yeah, that is indeed weird. Okay, so this means that this is not even caught or not printed. Okay, and this is printed. Huh. Okay, what if we wait? Okay, before resetting this, so if did damage false, okay, over here as well. Okay, we have to continue. We have to continue with this tomorrow. Okay, on tomorrow's live stream. Okay, so remember to join us on the same channel and same time. Okay. So we'll just be streaming. Yeah, because I have to go off now. So sorry about that, guys and girls. Okay, but we'll try to stream more tomorrow. Yeah. So see you at the same time and at the same channel, twitch.tv/whitesponge, or you can find us at twitter.com/whitesponge as well. So I hope that you guys and girls have enjoyed today's rather short live stream. Okay, we'll see whether if we'll stream again later as well. But I'm going out for lunch now, so